Look, I just wanna make a living, I just wanna do it right. I'm just trying to take what isn't given past the oversight. I'm just trying to make a killing, didn't happen overnight. They talk about my name so much, they start to get over. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Are you driven, are you bold? Can you turn this into something on your own? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it riches, is it gold? Is it something you can find within your soul? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it music, is it love? Maybe not, or maybe all of the above. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation?
And welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video here in the garage, watching the Heat game and whatnot. But in today's episode, we will be working on the Sunflower Yellow MR2. We are going to work on painting pretty much as much as we can when it comes to the bars, the brake calipers, and ¿qué tú haces? But yeah, guys, we're gonna do a lot of painting and whatnot. We also have to do undercoating. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with, what we got, and what we're gonna do. So let me switch the camera around. Get okay. Let's get it, jolly. So this is what I'm working with. This is how it's looking. As you guys can see, all these bars are ugly. All that is dirt. This is actually powder coated in black. So we're gonna paint all these. We gotta paint the bolts in silver, this in black, that in black, this in black. We also have to repaint the calipers in red. If you come down here, this panel, this heat shield, whatever you want to call it, for the trunk, we're gonna remove, clean it, and we're gonna either paint it in silver and or black. What you guys think, black or silver? I don't know, but we'll figure that out. And we also have to do a whole bunch of undercoating, rubbing undercoating when it comes here. It's not bad, it's just old. So we're gonna clean, spray, the grease, the whole 9 yards. Yeah, this is the 2GR. Everything looks good. New bolts, new everything, new bushings.
I just wanna make a living, I just wanna do it right. I'm just trying to take what isn't given past the oversight. I'm just trying to make a killing, didn't happen overnight. They talk about my name so much, they start to get over. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Are you driven, are you bold? Can you turn this into something on your own? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it riches, is it gold? Is it something you can find within your soul? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation?
We are done, guys. We are done. Everything is done. Bolts are painted, knuckles are painted, this is painted. I haven't touched this yet. We'll most likely, you know, get aftermarket ones and whatnot. We still have to clean those subframe bolts and whatnot, and of course this exhaust here in the side. But pretty much everything here is done. They're all looking good. Look all my mess I did. But everything is looking good and whatnot. I just wish this engine was nicer, but it is what it is. Anyways, guys, we went ahead and we removed the shield for the I guess exhaust or whatever you want to call it. And this is how I am after cleaning. And man, we went all ham when it comes to the underneath. So we degreased, we sanded a little bit, we removed a whole bunch of gunk, we sprayed it down with water, we degreased it, sprayed it down with water, degreased it again, sprayed it down. I did that 3 times, guys. I'm not gonna put the whole time lapse. It's like a very, very long time, about almost hour and a half. And yeah, man, it's very, very time consuming. But that means that tomorrow, once all this is dry, because this whole floor is all wet, guys. But it's been drying for the past, what, 15 minutes? And everything here is cleaned, degreased. Man, everything is just good. So the next step is wait for it to dry, give it a day or two, and then hit it with undercoating. and whatnot. So that's what I got for this video, guys. I'm done, tired, exhausted. We've been working on this car for several hours, and we're just one step closer. Next thing is clean out the interior, and yeah, just get it running because the fuel pump is done. So we'll most likely send it to Angel because I work too much, so don't have time. So yeah, guys, and also we have to paint this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go a silver. I think a silver is gonna look nice. Yeah, so I think we're gonna paint that silver, and yeah, that's what I got, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow. Well, today's Saturday. I know I just uploaded one regarding the power washer, the pressure washer setup, but I'm gonna drop a video for the next couple of days, every day. So I don't know what we're gonna do, so stay tuned and then go from there. Anyways, guys, catch you on the next one. Merry Christmas. Today is Saturday. Happy New Year soon, so see you in a bit. Dale.
Gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Are you driven, are you bold? Can you turn this into something on your own? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it riches, is it gold? Is it something you can